Hi everyone, today I'll tell you about how to get its flooding man, badge and skin guide. In map be shedletsky and kill evil 1 by 1 by 1 by 1. First you enter the shedletsky house. Then go to the shedletsky bedroom. Then go to the shedletsky computer. Then click turn on and map flooding game in the shedletsky computer. Then you need to complete the obby game. Thank you. See my video in my channel. Don't forget like and subscribe. Goodbye.